big round of applause. Job well done, ladies. Job well done to all the amazing barangays for each of your support. But right now, we're gonna give our judges ample time to finalize. On stage, all ladies, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, ladies. And one by one, simultaneously, as soon as you hear the song, our Nadito anthem, nako, kayo na magpe-perform, bahala na on stage. Are you ready, lovely ladies? Once more, this is brought to you by Dito Telecommunity. Can we give a round of applause to our ElekTROIKA Divas?
Anong labong dito?
Pusuan lahat yan, mga IG, FB at Messenger. With Dito Level of Socials, get 7 GB data for only 50 pesos. Dito na tayo!
gosh, darlings, again, this segment is brought to you by Dito Telecommunity. And ladies, stay right there. Show us your hottest, your best pose, and your confidence because todo na dito sa Dito Telecommunity. We will now be awarding our special awards for this segment on stage. Again, this is for our Dito segment. So allow me to call in a few of our awards for grabs. Best float designer is gonna go home with 10,000 pesos. Best choreographer going home with 10,000 pesos. Best in float going home with 50,000 pesos. And finally, the crown jewel of the showdown, the best ElekTROIKA diva, courtesy again of Dito Telecommunity, takes home a fantastic 30,000 pesos! Good job, ladies! Good luck as well! I will be calling the following representatives to join me on stage and help me in the awarding. Joining us, of course, from our Dito Telecommunity family, Brand Activations and Partnership Manager, April Di Matulak Palma. Palakpakan po natin, everybody! Happy Masskara, April! Welcome, 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 welcome! And of course, Trade Marketing of Visayas, we have Ms. Rhea Gregory. Welcome! I hope you are ready with your results as well. Ladies, inhale and exhale. Once again, with all of our amazing ElekTROIKA divas here on stage, the party does not end here, ladies and gentlemen. We will be inviting you to more fun later on tonight. But as you can see, we may be wrapping up our electric Masskara this evening. Plus, mas marami pang activities. And again, that is our major highlight. And we hope to see you there. We thank all of our sponsors, all of our guests, all of our VIPs. And for this segment, isang napakalaking pasasalamat for Dito Telecommunity! Todo na dito indeed! And we were so happy to see on how all these ladies, pinag-practicean nyo talaga. Nag-practice kayo kaninang umaga. Sana sinabihan nyo ako para nag-join ako. Ayan, so we will get to know kung sino yung mananalo ng mga prizes natin. We are just finalizing. Ooh, I think I have it. Good luck, ladies. Good luck to our barangays. And before we call in our winners, sa uulitin po, Bacolod City, palakpakan po natin, Dito Telecommunity. Todo na dito, maraming salamat. Together with our Dito Telecommunity representatives, here are the awards. Best Float Designer, going home with 10,000 pesos. Todo na dito, Best in Float Designer goes to Barangay! We would love to invite the barangay captain, our float designer, if you may, and if you're here, join us on stage and claim your award. You are going home with 10,000 pesos. Todo na dito, Best in Float Designer, Barangay Bahanakay! And here we go, more awards tonight. Todo na dito, Best in Float Design. Remember, float design is going home with 50,000 pesos. Yes and yes. Todo na dito, Best in Float Design. Barangay! Todo na dito, Best in Float goes to Barangay Bahanakay! You are going home with 50,000 pesos! Todo na dito! Congratulations, Barangay Bahanakay! Todo na dito! Happy Masskara po sa inyo! Up next, let's go to Todo na dito, Best Choreography. Going home with 10,000 pesos. Congratulations to Barangay! Barangay 19! Requesting Barangay Captain and of course other representatives to join us on stage. Claim your award. Tito. And this is Todo na Tito, Best Diva Performer. Going home with 30,000 pesos tonight. She is none other than going home with 30,000 pesos. She is ElekTROIKA Diva Performer number 10. Once more, our 10th performer. Congratulations, you are going home with 30,000 pesos. Again, this segment is brought to you by Tito Telecommunity. Our 10th performer, let me read the name once more, from Barangay 36, Diva number 10, Noreen Francesca Palermo! Congratulations, Divas. Thank you so much for representatives from Tito. Again, with Tito Telecommunity, palakpakan po natin! Thank you so much! Tito is here to keep you connected and to keep the good vibes going. My name is Daddy Ding Kong, and this segment brought to you by Tito is now signing off.